You guys know I love being hyper on my videos, but I'll let you know, I had a tough time going to sleep yesterday because I was so excited with ideas of what I want to do for my team here. So if my energy seems a little low in this video, please understand it's because I love you. You're watching this video because either you're subscribed to me and you just watch my videos, or you literally looked up on YouTube, how can I make money from home? So I want to get into what I actually do to make a full-time income from home. Maybe what I do can actually help you achieve that goal, whether you have a job right now and you want to quit it and make money from home, or maybe you just don't even have a job and you're like, I gotta figure out a way to actually, make money from home. Before I get too into that, I want to give a shout out to one of my newest teammates, Felicia. She is on my team in the No Limit system, and she messaged me yesterday on Facebook saying how she got her first sale. I don't even think she's been on my team for like a week. I gotta double check. Even though she was thanking me, because I was kind of showing her some stuff, I was kind of guiding her a little bit. Really, she is gonna be getting most of the credit here because she actually got a part of my team. She followed the system. She actually listened to me and she was consistent. I was seeing her work. Congrats, Felicia. With that said, that actually leads me into what I actually do to make a full-time income from home. There are tons of ways to make money online, or from home. There are even like legit jobs, like 9-to-5 jobs you can actually get, from literally your house. They've got, jobs you can work at, being at like a call center. You can do insurance basically from home, things like that. If you're like me, you want to be able to start something and have the ability to scale it to whatever level you want to scale it to when it comes to making money. I mean, you can scale a job, I guess, if you have the intentions on moving up in the company, but a lot of times that takes years to do. More than likely, you're going to have to either start or leverage somebody else's business to actually make the kind of money you're probably wanting to make if you're watching this video. And I said something kind of interesting that I didn't even realize I just said. I said leverage somebody else's business. And it's actually kind of a good way of kind of saying what I actually do online. The biggest thing I do right now to make a full-time income from home online is by doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just being able to make money selling other people's products or services. This can be anything from becoming an Amazon affiliate, a ClickBank affiliate. I think even Walmart has like an affiliate program. The concept is very much like, a car salesman. It's like a car salesman will sell a car and he makes a commission. That's the same way affiliate marketing works. All you gotta do is find a type of product or service you wanna promote, join them, and basically promote them and get as much traffic as you can to your affiliate links. I like to join affiliate programs that teach people how to basically make money online, or the tactics they need to start implementing on a daily basis to grow the business they're already in. All right, so this part of the video, I need to become a little bit more alive, more awake, because this is gonna get good. So basically, I'm gonna log into a Stripe account to show you a particular affiliate offer that is paying you on a daily basis. And the point of me doing this is to show you what this can scale to for you if you give it the right affiliate offer and you're actually doing the right things to promote it to make money on a daily basis. So let me go ahead and log into my dashboard, my Stripe dashboard, and it's gonna load. Hurry up, my name is right here. Today I've made $200 so far today. I think I'll make some more. Yesterday was kind of a slower day for me. I made $125. I'm used to making anywhere from $200 to about $400 a day, but let me find the magic. Where's, all right, there we go. On the 20th was so freaking cool. I had my first over $700 day with this affiliate marketing stuff, and it was super exciting. If you see right here, I've made over $13,000, and I started this on the 19th, of December of 2018. If I just keep following just the bare minimum requirements for this particular opportunity, I'll kind of be on track to average a little over $5,000 a month just from this single opportunity. Now, some people, if you're somebody just like, hey, look, I'll take $5,000 a month, that'll be good for me. This could be for you, or if you want to get crazy like me and set a crazy goal, which my goal is to make $1,000 a day, affiliate marketing can definitely do that for you. So again, I'm a part of a direct sales opportunity. It's an affiliate marketing program that also teaches you how to be successful with this type of opportunity. All we're doing is copying and pasting ads this opportunity gives us onto social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Craigslist, anywhere you can get traffic to the website that gets created for you in this opportunity. What happens, people actually reach out to you when they see your posts and know these are not paid ads or paid posts, and they say, give me some information on what the post was talking about that you had made. You send them a website that got created for you with this system, and once that happens, the site does all the selling and telling for you, and people have the opportunity to join this. And it really is just as simple as like copying and pasting. My teammate Felicia, like I've been doing this full time from home for quite some time, so I have different tactics and things that I use for this that I show you. But Felicia, literally all she literally has been copying and pasting. I've been seeing her because she's on my Facebook account. I've been seeing her using the ads the system has given her to just post on to various Facebook groups. And that's how she was able to get her first sale in like under a week. So it is a real strategy. I'm not just saying that to like say it and make it sound too good to be true. It really does work. There's a link in my video description below you can click on to actually see if you want to join it or not, and to see if you even qualify for it, because you do have to qualify for this opportunity. So go ahead and check that out and let me know if you qualify. I hope you do. So go ahead and check that link out below. Make that decision to join something that can literally change your financial future, and you'll be on my team. I can't wait to work with you.